Welcome to the final reflection of your journey through Mastering Microsoft Entra. You've come a long way, and what you've learned is not just about navigating a dashboard or setting up policies. It's about stepping into the future of identity, one that's cloud-native, security-first, and deeply integrated across your IT ecosystem. Let's break down your key takeaways, not just from a technical perspective, but also from a strategic lens as an identity admin, cloud architect, or security architect. Identity is the new perimeter, and you're now equipped to defend it. You now understand that in the cloud-first world, identity isn't just an access method, it is the security perimeter. Whether someone logs in from a secure data center or a cafe halfway across the globe, identity becomes your most consistent and reliable control plane. With your knowledge of conditional access, authentication strength, and privileged identity management, PIM, you're able to protect identities comprehensively. You've also learned how to detect anomalies using identity protection and audit logs. As a security architect, you're now equipped to build zero trust-aligned strategies that go beyond the network and place identity at the heart of your defense model. Identity now supports modern, multi-cloud, and hybrid applications. Applications are no longer confined to on-premises infrastructure. They're scattered across Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, SaaS, and custom environments. Through this course, you've mastered how Microsoft Entra enables seamless SSO using App Proxy, SAML, OpenID Connect, and more. You've seen how Workload Identity Federation empowers app pipelines to authenticate securely without managing secrets. And you now know how to bridge hybrid environments with Entra Connect and Cloud Sync. As a cloud architect, you're ready to design identity fabrics that unify access across any app, platform, or location. Governance is no longer optional. It's how you stay audit ready. You've realized that access without governance is an open door to risk. You've learned how to implement access reviews, entitlement management, and enforce separation of duties, all critical pillars of strong identity governance. With PIM, you can now enforce just-in-time access to reduce standing privileges. You've also explored how to enable secure collaboration through Entra External ID for partners and customers. If you're responsible for security, compliance, or identity governance, these tools are your blueprint for proving access control effectiveness and staying ready for any audit. You're now fluent in identity signals for security operations. You've gained the ability to translate Entra's rich identity signals into operational insight. You now know how to monitor risky sign-ins, feed those signals into Microsoft Sentinel or Defender XDR, and trigger automated responses. You can make use of workbooks and Entra usage insights to uncover trends, threats, or anomalies before they escalate. This positions you not just as a technical implementer, but as a security decision maker who improves posture through visibility and intelligence. You're future ready with decentralized identity and identity-aware access. You're no longer just managing traditional identities. You're prepared for what's next. With Entra Internet Access and Private Access, you're moving beyond VPNs to enable per-app identity-aware connectivity for modern hybrid work. And as decentralized identity gains traction, you're ready to give users more control over their digital identity in a privacy-preserving way. As an architect, you're equipped to lead resilient, scalable, and user-centric identity strategies for tomorrow's enterprise. So, you're now part of the new identity vanguard. Microsoft Entra isn't just a tool, it's a strategy. You've mastered its components, connected the dots across cloud, app, and security domains, and positioned yourself to lead in an environment where identity drives innovation, compliance, and resilience. Whether you're designing cloud workloads, defending against threats, or enabling users, you now hold the blueprint for building secure, modern, identity-first organizations. Congratulations on completing the Mastering Microsoft Entra course. You're not just Entra literate, you're Entra ready.